Welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever needed to store a collection of items where every single one must be unique? Unlike lists that can have duplicates, Python has a special data structure designed for this exact purpose: a set. Today, we're going to explore how to create sets and perform essential operations like adding and removing elements. Imagine a bag of marbles, but you're only allowed to have one of each color. You can't put a second blue marble in if there's already one inside. A set works just like this. It's a collection of unique items. You can add new colors, remove old ones, or check to see how many unique colors you have. The order doesn't matter. What matters is that every color is one of a kind. In this tutorial, you will master these key concepts: set creation, empty and with elements; adding elements; add, update; removing elements; remove, discard; pop operation, clear operation, and set length. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. You create an empty set using the set constructor. To create a set with elements, you use curly braces. A key feature of sets is that they automatically remove any duplicate elements. If you create a set from a list with repeating values, the duplicates will simply be ignored. Sets are also unordered, which means the elements do not have a fixed position or index. Let's see these operations in action. We'll start with a set of fruits. To add a single element, we use the add method. To add multiple elements from a list or another set, we use the update method. When removing elements, you have two options. The remove method removes a specified element. But be careful. If the element is not in the set, it will raise a key error. For a safer option, the discard method will also remove an element, but it does nothing if the element is not found, so you won't get an error. The pop method removes and returns an arbitrary element from the set, since sets have no fixed order. To remove all elements at once, use the clear method. And to check how many elements are in your set, just use the len function. Sets are incredibly useful in the real world. Data cleaning. You can quickly find all unique values in a list by converting it to a set. Membership testing. Checking if an item is in a set is much faster than checking a list. User permissions. Managing a set of unique user roles or permissions. Your challenge is to create two sets. The first, named empty set, should be completely empty. The second, car brands, should contain a list of car brands, but with one intentional duplicate, BMW. To create an empty set, we must use the set function. If you use empty curly braces, Python will think it's an empty dictionary. For our car brand set, we simply use curly braces and list our brands, including the duplicate. When we run this, our empty set is created, and our car brand set is created with only the unique values. As you can see, Python automatically removed the duplicate BMW for us. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Sets are unordered collections of unique items. We use add and update to add elements. We use remove and discard to remove elements. Pop removes an arbitrary item, and clear removes all of them. Mastering sets is a key step in becoming a more efficient programmer. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.